Zetic, and this is my project. M
In G
G M
R
R
C.
C.
My teacher
My teacher
is...
is Teacher Ira.
Okay, show it. What did you do?
I gave the star my name and Earth.
And Earth. Okay. Who
Goodbye.
helped you?
Ata.
Ate
This is
Jessica.
end of my video. Bye.
What will you do?
I'm going to make God's Earth.
God creations the
Earth.
Earth and stars.
Star.
What will you do? You're going to trace it. Make it a circle. Yes. With the help of, who's your helper?
Ata.
Ate Jessica. Very good. What will you do?
I'm going to build a star.
You're going to draw a star, and then later you're going off. Go. That's a big star. Now, ayusin. Now, a small star here. Star like this. Mama gonna show you. It's a correct star, but you're going to like that. Now, here.
I will build a small star.
Yeah.
First, like this.
Yes. Okay, next. But big star because Ate Jessica gonna cut it. Go.
It's like a bee and like a button. Let me sit down.
Go. You sit down. No, so dikit dito. Go.
First, V like this, along. Here.
Very good. What will you draw?
A sun.
A sun. You will shape it like that. Okay. Very good.
How is gonna be a sun?
We're going to cut this one, and then we're going to put it in the edge of there. Okay? Now, what are you doing, Cedric?
Painting Earth.
Yes, you're going to paint it with
Green.
because that stands for a...
It's not great if I have a small.
Yeah.
It's not. I'm not happy.
Tubig talaga yan. Nilagyan ko tubig.
But I not see any water.
Yeah, there's no water there. It don't need water na to. Yeah, like that. Nice job. This is project from teacher
Ira.
Ira. Very good.
So sticky.
Yeah, that's why.